Hello everyone, my name is Amza, and in this video we are going to be creating this simple yet beautiful landing page in WordPress using the Elementor plugin. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to your WordPress dashboard and install the Elementor plugin. So you're going to go to plugins, click add new. So you search for the Elementor plugin, and this search plugins. I've already installed the Elementor plugin, so I won't be installing it again. So after you're done installing your Elementor plugin, I want you to go to pages and add new page. Name your page landing page design. Landing page design. And click edit with Elementor. And by the way, I'm using the WordPress 2020 default theme. Now let's start designing our landing page. I want us to add new section. Click on this plus icon. We're going to add new section. Sorry, we're going to cancel it. Click on this plus right here, and we're going to select these two columns. Let's refer back to our landing page. Let's see. As you can see, our landing page, we have image on the right and we have text on the left. Let's add an image here. Click on this box, drag the image here, put it there. I'm going to select the image. It's loading. If you don't have any images in your media library, you can click on upload, then select files, then navigate to wherever you store your image. So we are going to click the media library because I already have it installed. Click on this image right here, then insert the media. We don't want it this way, so we are going to decrease it to medium, and also go to style. The width, we are going to drag it a little. Okay, let it be this way. Then we are going to click on this box right here. Then we are going to add the text. We want to add this, get an amazing landing page done in minutes. So let's drag the heading here, put it here. I'm going to write, get an amazing landing page done in minutes. I'm going to this get an amazing landing page. We want to put it at the middle, so we'll click on this edit column right here. This vertical align, I'm going to put it middle. Okay, and also I'm going to click on this edit heading, put it on at the middle. So let's change the text. The text color, let's change it to black. Typography, let's increase the size. Let's put this way. Then I'm going to change it to, let me use Gia. So click on it, and if we hide our panel, as you can see. So now I want us to, if you notice this landing page, everything is centered. So I want us to center this also. So we're going to click on the edit section. So we're going to this content which we're going to put it this way, as you can see. I'm going to leave it this way. Decrease the size of the image. So click on this edit. Then we're going to go to typography. The size, I want us to reduce it a little. Oh no, I want us to reduce it. Let it be this. So if we hide our panel, as you can see, the content width, let's click on the edit section. and this better. So let's add this below text. An exciting way to create landing pages that converts. Let's add it. Click on this box. So we're going to drag our text editor, put it here. That converts. Okay. This text, as you can see, the styling is different from this. So I want us to change it. Click on this edit. So now this under content, you're going to click on this left. As you can see, it's styled well. Now this one, we're going to click on edit right here. We are going to click on style. The text color, change it to black. Click on the typography. I want us to increase the size a little. Increase the size. Okay. Change the format to Georgia. Okay, we are done with this. Let's add a button. Let's add this button. I'm excited. Click on this box. Going to look for the button. Drag it below it. I'm excited. Style, good style. The typography, increase the size with this. The family should be, let's leave it at Georgia. Click on it. Let's change the color, the background color. Let's change it to this color. Yeah, it's better, as you can see, the same. So now let's change the edge, the border to double. So click on border type and we're going to click on double. So we're going to increase it, the width, increase it to, let's put it at 5. So it's okay. Okay, now that we are done creating the button, let's do this one, just 3 steps. Let's go. Let's click on this plus icon. So we're going to create, select this particular structure. So we are going to create this divider. Search for divider. I'm going to drag it. We're going to put it here. This box right here. We're going to drag the heading. We're going to put it under it. So this heading, we're going to write just 3 steps. Just 3 steps. We're going to put it at the middle. So we're going to style it on the style. Change the text color to black. We're going to increase the text size and of course change the typography, the family, text size. We're going to increase it, and the family, we are going to change it to our usual Georgia. So let's leave it this way. This divider, we're going to click on this edit section. No, sorry, we're going to click on this edit here, put it at the center, then we're going to decrease it to be exactly like this. So now we're going to do this one. Let's click the I'm excited button above, fill out the form completely, blah blah blah. So let's do it. First, we're going to click this plus icon and select 3 columns, because the images we are going to be using, there will be 3. So this box right here, we're going to search for image box. So drag it here. That's 1. Image box again. Drag it here. That's 2. Image box again. Drag it here. That's 3. So now let's style it. This first one, click on this. So we're going to select our image. We're going to be using Amazon, Facebook, and so this, we're going to be using this. So let's remove this text. Let's just put Oh, sorry, let's add this icon. Click the I'm excited button above. Sorry for that, for making that mistake. Let's check the text. Okay, click the excited button above. So now change the image to this icon right here. Insert this media. So let's do it for the other ones also. Choose image. Let's check the image. Okay, this. We're going to use this. We are going to insert it. We're going to cancel this text. Add the heading, and the heading should be fill out the form completely. Fill out the form completely. Do the same for the last one. The last one is once done, click the send button. Once done, click the send button. I'm going to insert this image. Once done, click the send button. So now let's I want us to duplicate this divider. We're going to put it here. So this divider, or better still, let's just add a new structure, and this, let's copy it. So right click, copy. Here we are going to paste it. So as you can see, it's pasted. So now we are done with this. Let's do this. Click the plus icon. We are going to add 2 columns. Here will be an image, as you can see, and the other one will be heading. All our landing pages converts. Let's add the heading first. All our landing pages converts in capital letter. All our landing pages converts. Okay, let's style it. Let's change the text color to black. The typography, let's increase the size. Let's leave it this way. And let's use the Georgia. Click on it. I want us to click on this edit column, and I'm going to middle it. Let's put it that way. Now the image, click on this box and drag the image widget here. So we're going to look for the image you are going to use, and this is the image. We are going to insert it. Let's reduce it, medium, the width. So let's put it this way. Now I want us to center our section. So click on this edit section, this content width. I want us to put it this way. Here is better. Okay, let's do the same for the upper one here, because we didn't do it. So click on this edit section, and the content we are going to put this way. This way is better. So if we click on this hide panel, as you can see, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now let's do this. Let's do the companies we have worked with. The companies we have worked with, and let's add this. Let's add these images right here. These logos. So the companies we have worked with. Let's add new structure, and the heading. We are going to drag it here. Companies we have worked with. So let's center it. So I want us to style it, increase the size of the text. The family should be Georgia. Click on it, and this should be black. No, sorry, the distance is white. The text is white. Let's change the background. I want us to the background, I want us to change the background. The background, we want to change it to the black, to black, and our, click on this, and our text should be white. So now the content width, click on layout, or better still, let it be this way. Because it's exactly what it is here. So now let's add this under it. Let's add this. This is 3. So we're going to select 3 columns. Now all we have to do is we are going to add our images. Let's add Google, then Facebook, then Amazon. So click on here, drag the image right here, do the same thing for this, drag the image right here, do the same thing for this, drag the image right here. So now this, we're going to make it medium size. We're going to select our image. Let's start with Amazon. The width, we're going to reduce it. Medium size. Let's add Facebook. Now there are so many ways you can do this. This is what I'm doing right here. There are so many ways you can do it. You can even use image carousels. Okay, this is just my preferred method. So we're going to select our image, because if there are lots of images, you can't be adding them one by one. So sometimes people do image carousels instead of this. So now we are going to make it medium, and the width we are going to so now we have added it, our logos, as you can see right here. We have added it. Now the content width, let's do something about it. So let's put it like this. Okay, now let's add our divider. Then let's do this button and another divider. So we're going to add a structure. Click on this. So let's add a divider. Our divider, put it here. Put our divider here. I want us to have a space like these companies we have worked with. Let's have a space below. So we're going to add a spacer. So we're going to drag this spacer widget, and we're going to before we do that, we are going to click on this plus icon. Then let's add a structure. Let's select this single structure. So there will be where the spacer can be added. So we are going to add a spacer here. So the spacer is 50. So let's reduce it a little, because I want space to be here. Let's add a spacer here also in our divider, on top of our divider. Sorry. So the spacer, we're going to drag it here. No. Made a mistake. Ctrl Z to undo. So spacer, drag it here. You can see up above. There's space now. Let's drag it a little. So now let's do this button. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select this, the box. Then we're going to look for button. So let's drag our button here. So that's our button, and our button is, let's do this, a capital letter. Let's do this. So I'm going to increase the size of our button. The text color, let me change it to red. So the typography, the size. Let's reduce a little. The formula, let's change it to Georgia. Click on it. So now let's center our button. We want to center our button. Click on center. So now this, if you notice, the divider here is different from the one here. So we're going to reduce the length. So click on this. Click on this edit right here. So we are going to first of all center it, then reduce it, as you can see. So now I want us to add another divider. Click on this right here. So now we are going to copy it. We are going to copy it, then we are going to paste it here. Now the divider is added. The divider is added. If we hide our panel, as you can see, everything is exactly the way our landing page is. As you can see, everything is exactly that. So this is it, guys. This is how to create a landing page using Elementor in WordPress. In upcoming videos, I will be doing more videos on how to create better landing pages, what to consider when designing a landing page tips that will make your landing pages convert, and a lot of videos on WordPress. So if you like this video, please give a like, and also please subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos on WordPress. Thank you very much and see you guys.